Hey everybody, this is going to be a general reading for the sign of Taurus. Mid-month general reading for sign of Taurus. Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus. Guys, this is a general reading, so may not resonate with everyone. In case you want a private reading, you can always get in touch with me on Wishes of a Wanderer Tarot Instagram or leave a comment down below. I will reach out to you. Taurus, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus signs. Okay. Not the reading. The card at the bottom of the deck is Wheel of Fortune. Guys, this union that you were in gave you a lot of sleepless nights, struggle, feeling trapped, feeling at war with each other. Yeah, definitely. It was as if there was no communication. One would wait, one would not communicate. And if there was any kind of communication, it was more of a battle. Yeah. You have Wheel of Fortune twice in your reading. It's a good sign, very good sign. And I feel that you guys are moving on from that energy. Though you have felt as if there was no movement in this relationship, things were just stagnant. Probably somebody just upped and left. They didn't want to stay, they didn't want to communicate. You kept waiting for them, Taurus, and they never came back. Okay, you have been manifesting this connection, this communication, this person. You felt horrible lately. Oh God, I'm so sorry. And another communication card. Yep, you have been waiting. You've been waiting. You're indecisive about whether you could move on to other connections or you just have to stay here and wait for this person. Could be an earth sign, could be a cup, a cup answer. Water sign, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Could also be an air sign, Gemini, Aquarius, Libra. Guys, if I'm fumbling with my words, please know that there are like too many messages coming uh, for you, and I just want to streamline and relay them in the best possible manner, and that is just, making me fumble. But yeah, I think you guys are waiting for this union, for this person from your past to come back, for this relationship to move a bit forward. So, you know what? Rest assured, it's happening. Whatever you were manifesting, whatever you were waiting for is happening, and it is going to be working out in your favor, Taurus. This person is coming back for sure. Whatever this energy was of feeling restless, of feeling, unwanted, it's coming back. But then, sorry. But then it's up to you to, give into this connection, give this relationship another chance, or just let it be. Like, forgive this person when they come back and then move on. It's all up to you. Listen to your intuition because that is your higher self guiding you. Even if you have the slightest hint of a red flag or something of an unreliable energy, just step back and reconsider. Always go with your gut, guys. We always sideline our gut, like we don't, mostly, not all of us, but most of us, we don't pay attention because we're so smitten by the person, the connection, that when we're willing to avoid and ignore all the red flags. Take time to breathe out. Okay, full moon in Aquarius. Show the world the real you. Guys, I feel if you have any kind of hobbies that like art or even divination, or something that you can showcase, something that you can let the world know that you know of this. You can do certain things. I'm getting art. I don't know why. But in case you are an artist, you should showcase it to the world. Make a page, publish your art, publish your articles if you're a writer. Yeah, it's going to make you feel really happy. And whatever this connection left you with this horrible energy of not being good enough for each other, not being good enough for your partners. Guys, please know that the roles can be reversed. It's either you or that person, the other person feeling this way. But in case it is you and you felt that you were not good enough for this relationship and that, it bogged you down with so much stress, showcasing your talents, showing the world the real you will help you get that power back, you know. You feel more, what do you call it? You feel more in your elements, you feel more alive, happier. Probably this connection that ended, and if there is a chance that this person is not going to come back or this union is not going to happen, the one that ended, there is somebody who is going to be, noticing you and offering this union, a new union. Somebody who's in their power, somebody who is in control of their emotions, who's compassionate, warm, stable. They're going to be offering you this connection, Taurus. And you will get out of this horrible energy of feeling stagnated or stuck in one place. Just take time to breathe, pay attention to your hobbies, pay attention to things that make you happy, spend time in nature, meditate more often, think, see what makes you, you know, see what keeps you happy, see what helps you be in your element, see what makes you feel more powerful, Taurus. Whether it's just charity, do that. Help people if you want to, help animals, help those who can't help themselves. And you will see the times changing. You'll see that, things are moving, and now they're moving in your favor because the worst is past, the worst is behind you. Now, whatever happens will only make you smile, Taurus. Whether it's a love connection, a job, or a place that you're moving to, it's only going to make you smile now. Going to make you feel very uh, self reliant. You won't be dependent on anyone emotionally, physically, financially. You won't be that way. You're getting out of that energy soon. And this month is ending and it's going to end on a good note for you, Taurus. I see good things coming your way, Taurus. Just listen to your intuition and stay smiling and be happy, Taurus. Thank you so much for stopping by and going through my readings and being so supportive, guys. Do take care of yourselves. Bye.